Buonasera a tutti voi che siete in ascolto. Siamo in Art Voice Academy. Questa è l'aula Pooh, l'aula che 2 anni fa hanno inaugurato Roby Facchinetti e Red Canzian. Strano? Sì, è un po' strano, veramente è un po' strano. Quest'anno è un anno strano. Art Voice ha dovuto fare le lezioni via web, ma siamo tornati con le regole, ma siamo tornati in Art Voice nella nostra accademia. Qui facciamo canto pop, canto jazz, canto musical, facciamo interplay, lavoriamo un po', insomma, come ben sapete lavoriamo nella musica ed è un po' la casa della musica. Quest'anno anche i nostri saggi di fine anno con i nostri ragazzi siamo costretti a farli online, quindi vedrete alcuni dei nostri ragazzi che da casa si sono registrati, hanno provato a fare dei pezzi, quindi un grande lavoro, un grande grazie ai nostri ragazzi, ai nostri insegnanti che hanno fatto un lavoro eccezionale per poter, in ogni caso, poter fare anche quest'anno dei saggi, magari in condizioni diverse, in condizioni strane, però siamo riusciti a portare a casa questo ottimo lavoro. Buon ascolto.
Used to crave the world attention. I think I cried too many times. I just need some more affection, anything to get me by. 100 million stories and 100 million songs. I feel stupid when I sing. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening. I talk to shooting stars, but they always getting wrong. I feel stupid when I pray. So why am I praying anyway? If nobody's listening, anyone, please see me, anyone. Lord, is there anyone? I need someone. I feel stupid when I sing. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening.
Voglio un mondo che sia azzurro mare, così limpido e profondo da potermici specchiare. Innamorare noi. Voglio
lasciato troppi segni sulla pelle già stampata. Non c'è niente che si insegni prima che non l'hai provata. Sono andato sempre dritto come un treno. Ho cercato nel conflitto la parvenza di un sentiero. Ho sempre fatto tutto in un modo solo mio. Non ho mai detto resta, se potevo dire addio. Poche volte ho dato ascolto a chi dovevo dare retta, ma non ne ho tenuto conto, ho sempre avuto troppa fretta. Almeno tu rimani fuori dal mio diario degli errori, da tutte le mie contraddizioni, da tutti i torti e le ragioni, dalle paure che convivono con me, dalle parole di un discorso inutile. Almeno tu rimani fuori dal mio diario degli errori.
Something shocking, now heaven knows anything goes. It alters to who wants to better words, not only useful letter words, writing prose. Anything goes. The world has gone mad today, and good's bad today, and black's white today, and there's not today, and most guys today, the women price today. Just silly gigolos. And though I'm not a great romancer, I know what I'm about to answer when we propose. Anything goes.
Looking out on a morning gray, I used to feel so uninspired. And when I knew I had to face another day, Lord, it made me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was all kind, 'cause you're the key to my peace of mind. 'Cause you make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel. For all the time that you rain on my parade, and all that club to getting using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh good for goodness sake. You think I'm crying, oh my, oh well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care at all. But you still lit my thumb up, and baby I'll be moving on. And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. But no, I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
When we came home, warm to the bones, I told myself this could get rough. And when I was off, which happened a lot, you came to me and said that's enough. Oh, I know that this love is pain, but we can't cut it from out these veins, no. So I lit the light and you locked the doors. We'll live in this room till we'll both feel more. Don't walk away, don't roll your eyes. They say love is pain, well darling, let's hurt tonight. Oh.
Ti porterò soprattutto il silenzio e la pazienza. Percorreremo assieme le vie che portano l'essenza. I profumi d'amore inneberanno i nostri corpi. La buonaccia d'agosto non calmerà i nostri sensi. Tesserai i tuoi capelli come trame di un canto. Conosco le leggi del mondo e te ne farò dono. Supererò le correnti gravitazionali, lo spazio e la luce per non farti invecchiare. Ti salverò da ogni malinconia, perché sei un essere speciale ed io avrò cura di te. Io sì che avrò cura di te.
Oh, I believe in the marriage of silence and love. I still need so patient to grasp it all. I hope I won't forget this feeling fading off in time. Trapping on my face, they burn in my mind. No have no doubt. See rise, become wise. Here I can be born and feel so rich inside. can to meet myself and my depression.
I never meant to start a war. I just wanted to let me in. And instead of using force, I guess I should have let you in. I never meant to start a war. I just wanted to let me in. I guess I should have let you in. Don't you ever say I just walk away. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was break me. I came in like a wrecking ball. Yeah, I just closed my eyes and fall. Let me crashing in a blazing ball. All you ever did was break me. Yeah, you break me. Yeah, you break me.
Mi sono innamorato di te perché non potevo più stare solo. Il giorno volevo parlare dei miei sogni, la notte parlare d'amore. Ed ora che avrei mille cose da fare, io sento i miei sogni svanire, ma non so più pensare a nient'altro che a te.
I hear you're asking all around if I am anywhere to be found. But I have grown too strong to ever fall back in your arms. I learned to live half alive, and now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are, running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of parts and tearing love apart? You're gonna catch a cold from the eyes inside your soul, so don't come back for me. Who do you think you are?
But I'm always true to you, darling, in my fashion. Yes, I'm always true to you, darling, in my way. I could never curl my lip to a dazzling diamond clip. Through the clip and let her rip, I not say nay. But I'm always true to you, darling, in my fashion. Yes, I'm always true to you, darling, in my way. There's an old man knows his tax, who is keen to give me checks, and his checks if you mean the tax is here to stay. But I'm always true to you, darling, in my fashion. Yes, I'm always true to you, darling, in my way.
And I will always love you. I will always love you, my darling, you. Bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye. Please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need. And I will always love you. I will always.
Mars and Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, a beautiful Castillo, you, I'll leave it all. My acres of land I have achieved, and maybe I for you to stop and believe, I for you, I'll leave it all. Oh, for you, I'll leave it all. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. And baby, if you owe me, then all of this will go away. My many artifacts, the list goes on. If you just say the word, I'll wrap around to you, I'll leave it all. Oh, to you, I'll leave it all. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. And baby, if you owe me, then all of this will go away. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. And baby, if you owe me, then
Cambio faccia, cambio modo di pensare. Se una goccia di una lacrima versata ti accarezza il viso mentre ridi e dici che è la pioggia. Ed è più dolce la paura se mi tieni in un tuo abbraccio. Riesco a sentire anche il profumo della notte mentre continuo a sorprendermi. Disegno una finestra tra le stelle da dividere col cielo, da dividere con me. In un istante io ti regalo un mondo, baciarti e poi scoprire che l'ossigeno mi arriva dritto al cuore. Solo se mi baci te e non sentire bisogno più di niente.
Another day, staring out my window, thinking about tomorrow, wishing things would clear. No need to rush, I ain't got no worry about any moment or sorrow is bound to disappear. Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you, and then I have to face the emptiness I feel inside without you, and find a way to make it through another day. I need a way to find the truth within me, accept the fact that I love you, my blue eternity. I hear them say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I must have the heart of a lion, shifting through love's remains. Sometimes I tell myself I'm better off without you, and then I have to face the emptiness I feel inside without you, and find a way to make it through another day.
Nino capì fin dal primo momento, l'allenatore sembrava contento, e allora mise il cuore dentro le scarpe e corse più veloce del vento. Prese un pallone che sembrava stregato, accanto al piede rimaneva incollato, entrò nell'area, tiro senza guardare, e il portiere la fece passare. Ma Nino non aver paura di tirare un calcio di rigore, non è mica da questi particolari che si giudica un giocatore. Un giocatore lo vedi dal coraggio.
I'm still learning about life, my man and children with me. So I sing that on my song, then I can tell them sorry. Most of my boys with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind my brother. I'm so sorry, soon we will be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote my letter once. I hope my children comes and visit once or twice a month. Soon we'll be 60 years old. Will I think a word scholar? Will I have a lot of children who can walk me? Soon we'll be 60 years old. Soon we'll be 60 years old. Will I think a word scholar? Will I have a lot of children who can walk me? Soon we'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends so you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old. Before we part now and try to let go, my love, I'm lost in the maze of my heart. You lift me close, stereo. No turn to solo. Our path are changing directions. Tell me, fate, this is it for me, then this is my last letter. All the words within I wrote together, reaching out to you. These feelings, do you even know? So I need to let go. I'm past on my Lego. Start to fall from where we were, a place we can't return to. So be it, don't cry. I'ma let you go and fly. And as the days drag on, I'm only keeping myself busy, trying hard to feel the way I'm feeling on my schedule. I can never seem to forget you. Buried to my mind, you were like a tattoo. Although I know we can't return to those days, if I could only go and call your name. No, I'm fine with taking all the blame. If it's really time to say goodbye before we part now and truly let go, my love, I'm lost in the maze of my heart. You left me cold, stereo. Now turn to solo. Our path is changing directions. It goes on and on. And giving up what we had and letting go of your head. I get you know that let you go. It's hard to say goodbye, but I can't know. I'm ready to let go. Buonanotte, buonanotte. Alla pace sederà, noi siamo qua. A chi inventa in un sorriso la speranza, a chi sbaglia e non ci pensa. Buonanotte ai cuori teneri che non tremeranno mai, oh no mai, al sorriso a questa notte che ora muore. Buonanotte a te, amore. Some pray that one day Christ will come a-calling. They light a candle and hope that it glows. And some just lie there crying for him to come and find them. But when he comes, they don't know how to go.
Mama who gave me no way to handle things, who made me so bad. Mama the weeping, Mama the angels, no sleep in heaven or Bethlehem.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. Oh woman, oh you treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman that I ever seen. Well, I guess if you say so, I have to pack my things and go. That's right, hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. Now baby, listen baby, don't you treat me this way, 'cause I'll be back on my feet someday. Don't care if you do, 'cause it's understood. We ain't got no money, just asking of you. Well, I guess if you say so, I have to pack my things and go. That's right, hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. 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 And don't you come back no more. And don't you come back no more. And don't you come back